This is Lawrence McFadgen from iosinsight.com, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how I like to move views for the keyboard by letting auto layout and constraints do the work versus calculating frame sizes. So what I have in the storyboard is a top view containing a text field and a text view. Then I have a bottom view that is empty but has a height constraint with a constant of 0. So that height constraint is the key to changing the size of the bottom view to match the keyboard height when the keyboard opens. So at this point, if I run it in the simulator, we'll just verify that we do have work to do because the keyboard cuts off the text view and the text field. So what we have to do is to be able to access that height constraint first of all from code. So let's control drag over and call it bottom height. So now we'll have access to that. So now we need to go over to the view controller, and in the keyboard will show we want to take the keyboard size dot height and use that to set that bottom constraint. So let's say bottom height dot constant equals keyboard size dot height. Then we will tell the view that it needs to be updated, or we'll tell auto layout to update the view. So we need to do the same thing in the keyboard will hide by setting bottom height dot constant equal to 0.0, and again we need to tell auto layout to update the layout. So with that in place, we should be able to run, and we can verify that this works fine. So we see the view moves up nicely in portrait. We rotate right, we can see the same thing is happening in landscape. Rotate left again, and again back to portrait. So that's one way that you can accommodate the keyboard by moving the view up.